Hi folks. The other day I was looking at some test scores and the information was just really hard to dig through. I wanted to use sort and filter options, but I couldn't get it to work. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to sort your data, this Tech Tip Tuesday is for you. All right, so I have a data set here, but you'll notice that my standards are running left to right across the top of the page, and then my demographics, my information, are running up and down. What I need to do is I need to rotate those 90 degrees so that the data is something I can search and filter. So there's a couple of things you have to do to reformat. Number one, I'm going to click the box in the upper left-hand corner, do Format, Merge, and unmerge. Anytime you're going to rotate those columns to rows and switch those merged cells will cause you all kinds of problems. Second thing, I noticed that some of my headings aren't in the right spot. So I'm going to add some things. We'll just call that title. We're going to call that total students. I'm scrolling across and you'll notice that these headings are actually not in the right spot. So I'm going to copy and paste those down. Again, your goal is to get all of your title information in a single row and a single column so that it can be switched. So once I'm here, I can actually highlight rows 3, 4 through 11, looks like 3 through 11, and I'm going to copy like normal. What's really neat though is when you add a new sheet, you can right click, and instead of doing paste, there's an option in Paste Special that says Transposed. Once I click that, as long as I've highlighted and set up my columns correctly, all of my data is now here. To make it easier to read, I'm going to rotate my text here. And you can see I have all of my standards and my data now are sortable inside the different demographics and sortable by name. From here, I'm going to add filters. So I'm going to highlight letters A through I, which is where my data is. I'm going to go up to the Data button and select Create Filter. Once you have these filters set up, there's so much that you can do. You can go inside the filters and unselect the options you don't want to see. You can go and sort by campus, demographic, whatever column that you want to, but what's really handy is if I'm looking for my lowest performing teaks, my highest performing teaks, all those kinds of things, all of that data is now available and sortable in Google Sheets. Well folks, that's all for me. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful and beneficial. My name is Aaron Tomhave, and as always, we hope to see you again on next week's Tech Tip Tuesday.